Hello everyone, welcome back to Canning Coffee. Here we have a Faema Faemina espresso machine. Now for this machine we replace the heating element that we see right here. This one unfortunately blew up inside the machine because the machine was run without water inside, and we also had to replace some of the electrical connections, clean everything inside, replace the heating element, and now as you can see it's heating up perfectly, having excellent pressure inside. We also replaced the original switches back to the machine. Those are the ones. There we go. And yeah, that's all we did to this machine. And as you can see, it's feeling perfectly fine. That's a lot of pressure inside the boiler. And the water flow. Perfect. Fortunately, I don't have any kind of coffee, as you can see, so it's a big flush with the machine. Perfect temperature. And there you have it, Faema Faemina working once again. So thank you for repairing Canning Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.